Hey there, seventh graders. It's Mrs. Wyland. I know I informed you that I was going to be gone today, and it's your test preparation day, so I wanted to let you know what I'd like you to be working on while I am gone to get ready for Monday's test. So first of all, I would like for you to begin working on packet pages 16 and 17. And actually, I believe that we started this in class last time for most of the 8A classes, or perhaps even all. So those two pages, 16 and 17, you should work on. And up in the front of the room on my front demo table, I have answer keys. So you're going to want to check your answers and make sure you have everything correct. Once that is finished, you're going to move to step 2. That is a density convection currents quiz on Schoology. You've seen this one before. You took it a couple days ago, but it wasn't for a grade. Now it will be for a grade. It's formative, and you do get 3 tries. So I'm going to head to, just to show you quick, I'm going to head to my Schoology page for you. So you'll click on Unit 2. Then here's the tests and quizzes. And it's right down here, density and convection currents. So if you can take that, give it your best shot, then head back to here. Once that is, oopsie, sorry guys. Once that's complete, you will find up on the front demo table a yellow review packet. This is what you should be working on to prepare for your test. All of the science content that you need to know is in the yellow review packet. I can ask you questions in many different ways, but the content will all be the same. I think I told you last time that the test has 2 parts. One part is Schoology and the other part is short answer. The 3 questions on the back side of the yellow sheet are the exact questions that I'm going to ask you on your test to be able to write a response. Okay, so make sure that you practice your answers. Also over here, this is just a friendly reminder of the 3 formative assignments that you will be graded on in this unit. And if any of them are not complete, they should be turned in before the start of class on Monday. I've had some kids ask me where number 2 is located, the seismic wave reflection assignment. So I'm going to head back to Schoology and remind you where to go for that. Okay. So to get to that assignment, you're going to click on the assignments folder in our Unit 2, and it's this very last one here. Okay. Just wanted to open it up quick for you so you can see what it looks like. Hopefully this looks familiar. A lot of you have turned it in because I just checked the other day, but if you have not, you're going to want to complete this. And it actually is 3 slides long. You'll read the question and type in your response, and then don't forget to push submit. I also want to show you on Schoology where the answer key is located for your review packet. All right, so if I head down to assessment study materials, excuse me, here's the answer key. Here's another blank packet in case you want to print another one off from home and try again. All right, well, that should be it for what you need to know today. Just don't forget to follow this order right up here. The sub can leave this up on the screen so that you know what you need to be working on. If you have any questions, please consider signing up for Flex on Friday or Monday with me to prepare for the test, or you can send me an email. Good luck.